Oh, hey, welcome to the DuckHill workshop. I'm glad you're here. My name's Ben, but you might want to stay on the other side of the shop right now. I'm recovering from the worst man cold in the history of man colds. This week has just laid me out, so I haven't gotten much done. You can see if you've been following along, I haven't made any progress. Obviously today is not part 2 of the memorial flag case build. I just haven't been able to make progress. I've been basically lying couch ridden all week. So today is just a feeling a little bit better practice update thing. But what we're gonna do today is cut some dovetails. I've never done this by hand before. This is a total first. This is not a how-to. You just get to watch me fail my way through my first set of dovetails. So we're gonna be using Veritas dovetail saw today, the Jonathan Katz Moses dovetail guide, magnetic guide, some pine, a handful of chisels, and a coping saw. So, that being said, let's get right to it. Well, there it is, my first ever hand-cut dovetail. That is not pretty. I think that the majority of the error came when I was laying out the tails to the pins and then cutting the pins. We'll keep working on that because eventually I need to make 5 drawers for my mom's cabinet for her desk that I made previously, and that's going to be, each of those drawers is going to get through dovetails in the back and half blinds in the front. That's a lot of dovetails, a lot of work if this is my first round. So I'm going to keep at this, but that's where I'm going to leave you until next time. Hopefully I'm feeling better by Wednesday.